Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Shivani Narayanan, a prominent figure in the world of fashion and lifestyle, is renowned for her impeccable taste and elegant sari choices. Her sari fashion sense is a perfect blend of tradition and modernity, making her a style icon for many. She has been seen donning a variety of saris, each reflecting her unique personality and the occasion she is attending. Whether it's a traditional silk sari for a festive celebration or a lightweight chiffon sari for a casual outing, the beauty knows how to carry each look with grace and sophistication. One of the standout features of her sari fashion is her ability to experiment with different fabrics, colors, and designs. She often opts for rich, vibrant hues like deep reds, emerald greens, and royal blues, which not only complement her complexion but also add a regal touch to her overall appearance. Her choice of silk saris, particularly Kanjivaram and Banarasi, showcases her love for traditional Indian textiles. These saris, with their intricate zari work and elaborate patterns, are perfect for grand events and weddings, making Shivani the epitome of elegance. In addition to traditional silks, Shivani also embraces contemporary sari styles. She is often seen in georgette, chiffon, and organza saris, which are lighter and more fluid, allowing for a more relaxed and modern look. These saris are usually adorned with subtle embroidery, sequins, or beadwork, adding a touch of glamour without being overly ostentatious. Her ability to balance traditional and modern elements in her sari choices is what sets her apart in the fashion world. Accessorizing plays a crucial role in her sari fashion. She carefully selects jewelry that complements her sari, often opting for statement pieces like jhumkas, mantikkas, and bangles. Her choice of footwear is equally thoughtful, with embellished jutis or heels that add to the overall elegance of her ensemble. Shivani's attention to detail extends to her hairstyle and makeup, which are always perfectly coordinated with her sari, enhancing her natural beauty. Her sari fashion choices are not just about looking good. They are a reflection of her cultural heritage and personal style. She effortlessly combines traditional Indian aesthetics with contemporary fashion trends, creating a look that is both timeless and modern. Whether she is attending a high-profile event or enjoying a casual day out, her sari fashion always makes a statement, inspiring countless women to embrace the beauty of this iconic Indian garment. Her ability to adapt and innovate within the realm of sari fashion ensures that she remains a trendsetter and a source of inspiration for fashion enthusiasts everywhere. Her sari fashion choices go beyond just the fabric and design. They reflect her deep understanding of how to make a sari work for every occasion, mood, and personality. Her wardrobe is a treasure trove of saris that range from the opulent to the understated, each chosen with a keen eye for detail and a sense of purpose. For instance, during festive seasons like Diwali or Navratri, she often gravitates toward heavily embellished saris with intricate gold or silver zari work, paired with bold jewelry and a classic bun adorned with gajra. These looks exude a sense of grandeur and celebration, perfectly capturing the spirit of the occasion. On the other hand, for more intimate gatherings or casual outings, she opts for softer, more understated saris. She is often seen in pastel shades like blush pink, mint green, or powder blue, which give her a fresh and approachable look. These saris are usually made of lightweight fabrics like chiffon or cotton, with minimal embroidery or prints, allowing her natural elegance to shine through. Her ability to switch between bold and subtle looks with ease is a testament to her versatility as a fashion icon. The beauty also has a knack for experimenting with draping styles, which adds a unique twist to her sari fashion. While she often sticks to the classic navy drape, she isn't afraid to try out contemporary draping styles like the dhoti sari, lehenga sari, or even the pre-stitched sari gown. These modern interpretations of the traditional sari allow her to stay ahead of the fashion curve while still paying homage to her roots. Her Instagram feed is a visual diary of these experiments, inspiring her followers to think outside the box when it comes to sari styling. Another notable aspect of her sari fashion is her love for handloom and sustainable saris. She frequently champions weaves from different regions of India, such as Chanderi, Kota, Tussar, and Patola. By wearing these saris, she not only highlights the craftsmanship of Indian artisans but also promotes sustainable fashion. Her choice of handloom saris often includes earthy tones and natural textures, which add a rustic charm to her look. This conscious effort to support traditional weaves and sustainable practices makes her a role model for those who want to make ethical fashion choices. Her sari fashion is also deeply influenced by her personal journey and cultural background. Her sari fashion journey is a fascinating exploration of how one can reinvent and reimagine the sari to suit their personality, lifestyle, and the ever-evolving world of fashion. Her sari choices are not just about aesthetics, they are a reflection of her confidence, cultural pride, and ability to adapt to changing trends while staying true to her roots. Let's delve deeper into what makes her sari fashion so captivating and inspiring. One of the most striking aspects of her sari fashion is her ability to make even the most traditional saris look contemporary and relevant. For instance, she often pairs classic Kanjivaram or Banarasi saris with modern blouses that feature unique cuts, sleeves, or necklines. Off-shoulder blouses, cape-style blouses, and high-neck designs are some of her go-to choices, adding a modern twist to the otherwise traditional ensemble. This fusion of old and new not only makes her look stand out but also encourages others to experiment with their sari styling. The model also has a keen eye for color coordination, which is evident in her sari choices. She knows how to play with contrasting colors to create a visually appealing look. For example, she might pair a deep maroon sari with a golden blouse or a pastel pink sari with a silver border and a matching blouse. Her ability to balance bold and subtle colors ensures that her sari looks are always harmonious and pleasing to the eye. Additionally, she isn't afraid to experiment with unconventional color combinations, such as mustard yellow with navy blue or olive green with coral, proving that saris can be as versatile as any other garment. Another dimension of her sari fashion is her love for prints and patterns. While solid-colored saris are a staple in her wardrobe, she also embraces printed saris with floral, geometric, or abstract designs. These saris, often made of fabrics like chiffon, georgette, or cotton, are perfect for casual outings or daytime events. Shivani's ability to style printed saris with minimalistic jewelry and neutral-toned blouses showcases her understanding of how to let the sari take center stage without overwhelming the overall look. She sari fashion also extends to her choice of accessories, which are always thoughtfully curated to complement her sari. She often opts for statement jewelry, such as oversized jhumkas, layered necklaces, or chunky bangles, to add a touch of glamour to her ensemble. However, she also knows when to keep it simple, choosing delicate pieces like pearl earrings or a single pendant necklace for a more understated look. Her choice of handbags, clutches, and footwear is equally meticulous, with each accessory adding to the cohesiveness of her outfit. Her sari fashion is also influenced by her role as a public figure and influencer. She often uses her platform to showcase saris from emerging designers, local artisans, and sustainable brands, thereby promoting Indian craftsmanship and ethical fashion. By doing so, she not only elevates her own style but also contributes to the preservation and growth of India's rich textile heritage. Her collaborations with designers and brands often result in unique sari collections that blend traditional techniques with contemporary designs, further cementing her status as a fashion trailblazer. Her sari fashion is also deeply rooted in her cultural identity. She often incorporates elements of her heritage into her sari looks, such as wearing a Madisar drape or accessorizing with temple jewelry. If you enjoyed this video, and don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thanks for watching.